Ka Manipuri Elders Consortium Shlong MECS ha ka khat pratrik yayong kala Pynlong da ka jingiakhih bajai-jai da ka basyong klan mungor ban pen pau persha halor ka jingshah pyniap badang shen jeng ki arngut I khunlung ha ka jingjah ka balajia ha ka hinyo trik yayong hatrong laubi Manipur. Kani ka jingalum lang kalong kum ka jingle buram ban kin mau ye kini ki arngut ki khunlung bat ban yeng ya teli bat ka kemi jeng ki kebadan hapadeng ka jingmen saw bat barok ki basyak ta ha kani ka jinga snam. Kani ka jingalang ka khot ka jinga teli ka hok bat ka sur ka baya teli na ka benta ka jingsuk bat ka long brio man brio. Ngi penrem joria kani ka kam thombor ka bala shim ya ka jing im jeng ki arngut ki khunlung ka bala jia ha ka hinyo trik ya yong ha Manipur ong ka president ka MECS ka TS Lema habakren Syllad thai kubor shabar ka jingalang ka bala long ha Don Bosco Square like khra. Ngi pen pau ka jinga tali bat ki bahayeng hasam jong kini ki lanon bat ban kerpat ya ka sorkar ban shim mardori ki sinjam ban pen shitomi ki tu ki brio ki badan keti ha kani ka kam pentriam kala benram. Da ka bashim ya kani ka jingjah kum ka basngosi kthang ka lema kala ong baka jinga snam ha Manipur kadai ka jingple ki khman na ka benta ka ri barok ka wai ba ka nongwan bu hash nong be an da ki menderi ki long ka dauba ki balam shakum kini ki jingjah ki balawan jia bat ka ri ka dei ban sngot ho bala da ngimla ban tetla kam ya kani ka jingwan bu hash nong be an kum taru kanam dan ka jing penthik na ka bakum kini ki jingjah kinam jia ha ki wai pat ki benta jongkari.
It is a very sad thing that the government cannot put an end to this violence. It's almost 3 years now. So we would appeal to the government to bring peace and to end this violence as soon as possible, because lives are lost and properties are lost and the people are all suffering. So we are appealing to the government to bring an end to this violence. Government of India has deployed many security forces in the state to contain whatever reason since the ethnic violence have started. Government of India has brought so many deploys in the state, so that is the only step that has been taken up by the government, and there has been some dialogues from both the communities, either together or separately, but till now the dialogues have not bear any fruit. So this is the step, I think. We will continue to organize such silent, peaceful demonstrations if required and as and when required, and if it will help bring peace to the violence happening, we will continue. The victims that are Meiteis. We are from the Meitei community of Manipur. I have said before, we want peace, we want the government to bring a solution to this violence as soon as possible, and we want the illegal immigrants coming from the neighboring countries to have a solution to the illegal immigrants and the drug menace that has been happening in the state, also in the country, especially in the northeastern states. That also is one of the main reasons of this violence. Should be put an end to it. And we also appeal to the government that the national highways should be removed, should be secure for the Meitei community to be able to use the national highways.